we'll guide you through how to use Obsidian Canvas. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, comment if you still need our help or want to ask something. Second, open Obsidian and make sure your vault is active before starting the canvas setup. Once the vault is ready, look at the left ribbon toolbar where different workspace tools are available. Find and click the Create New Canvas icon to start creating a new visual workspace. A blank canvas page will open, allowing you to arrange notes, files, and ideas freely. Before adding anything, rename the canvas file by clicking the title at the top tab. Enter a suitable name for your canvas, such as How to Use Obsidian Canvas, so it is easier to identify later. After naming the file, open the Canvas toolbar located at the bottom of the screen. From the available tools, select the Card tool to create a new text card. Click and drag the card onto the canvas area, then type your text directly inside the card. You can use these cards to write ideas, reminders, or important information. Next, select the Note tool when you want to add an existing Obsidian note into your canvas. Drag the note element onto the canvas, search for the note you want to insert, and press Enter to place it on the workspace. You can also add external files by dragging images or PDF documents from File Explorer directly into the canvas. To connect different items together, hover over the edge of a card or note until the connection point appears. Click and drag the connection point toward another item to create a visual link between them. Release the mouse button to create the connection line. If you want to explain the relationship between connected items, click the connection line and add a label. Finally, use the color options available in Canvas to customize cards, notes, and connection lines, making your workspace easier to understand and visually organized. This allows you to build a flexible map of information inside Obsidian.